Today's editorial, a crucial season, is based on communication strategy developed in view of approaching winter seasons and festivals. In coming months, there are a lot of festivals and it will be followed by winter season, and the chances of spread of COVID-19 during festivals and in winter season are more if sufficient precautions in terms of using masks, maintaining social distance, and hand washing are not taken. Recent launching of Mask Up campaign by Prime Minister of India is a part of this communication strategy to make aware citizens and to fight effectively against COVID-19. The crux of this editorial is public health messaging must convince people that festivals can be celebrated safely. It is imperative, it is essential for all citizens to take precaution, to take preventive measures so as not to fall the victim of COVID-19. We have sufficient evidence and the strategy, basic strategy followed till now of wearing masks, maintaining social distance, and health hygiene have been able to prevent people from this infection. Now coming to editorial. Faced with a potential reversal of gains that India has made in slowing the spread of COVID-19, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has appealed against weakening the fight during the annual season of festivals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his address to the nation, very recently had appealed to citizens to take necessary precautions, and he has further said that no laxity should be allowed until vaccine comes. Over the past 6 months, numerous individual events have enabled the infection to explode and spread. These have ranged from the opening of wholesale markets and political gatherings to big funerals. Many were infected when places of worship were allowed to be thronged. Mr. Modi's appeal, which comes during the Navratri celebrations and ahead of Dasara, Deepavali, and other festivals, is to be welcomed, although the opportunity to caution the public was not grasped early enough. Also, in spite of the call to mask up on October 8 as part of a communication campaign he launched, its visibility has remained low. In fact, what is required is to make it a mass campaign and to make aware all the citizens that it is important to follow preventive measures. Moreover, virus estimations remain a mosaic of data without a standardized system of testing, tracing, and isolation across states. In initial days, it was testing, tracing, and isolation across states was followed, but later it was abandoned, almost abandoned. Mosaic of data, design, or decoration. Moreover, virus estimations remain a mosaic of data without a standardized system of testing, tracing, and isolation across states. Only broad brush statistics are available even as the economy has reopened. The Union Health Minister's data point to a rising trend in daily cases in Bihar, Delhi, Maharashtra, Manipur, and West Bengal, while Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, with their higher levels of incidence earlier, have started showing a decline in test positivity rates, a more reliable metric than absolute cases. In fact, the absolute cases without any reference are not of much relevance. How much we are testing, and among those tested, how many are positive for COVID 19. This metric, this method will be more reliable than giving absolute figures, because these figures will be unable to show how many tests were done and how many people have been found infected with COVID 19. So there must be some standardized method. Kerala has experienced a wave blamed on lax behavior during Onam. We have example that during festival season, if we lower the guard, then in all possibilities the cases of COVID-19 will rise. Health messaging on the dangers of another wave of infections can be effective if it is not drowned by repeated emphasis of mass recoveries. What we see, what we hear, that a lot of recoveries are there, and it seems that there is no need to be worried, and so people are getting relaxed. States anxious to present a picture of near normality to boost economic activity highlight recoveries over risk, and people are lowering their guard. It is important not only to present the rosy picture but also to warn the people that danger still persists, and the and this must be shown by data. Prime Minister in his message has clearly stated that in other countries like Europe, America, the second wave of COVID-19 is there, and it might be more fatal than the first one. This message must reach to every nook and corner of the country, and the communication strategy that has been initiated, that has been launched just now, for their effectiveness, it must reach everywhere, and it must exhort its citizens to not lower the guard. Mr. Modi has suggested that the fight must not weaken until there is a vaccine, and experts and WHO want countries to learn to live with an endemic virus. Experts want experts caution that we have to live with an endemic virus, and so prevention is very important. In India, the reality is that even as of October 21st, the official death toll in a day stood at 717, a not so inconsequential number, and there were 7.4 lakh active cases. The death case, as reported on October 21st, stood at 717, and this is a significant number, and still active cases were 7.4 lakh. So there is no need of any complacency. The emphasis therefore has to be on preparing for the new normal, adopting acknowledged defenses such as masking, distancing norms, and hand hygiene. What is important here? We have to live with COVID 19, and this should be new normal. And what we will have to do? We will have to follow acknowledge defenses such as masking, maintaining social distance, and hand washing. In parallel, the center should launch policy reform to transform a predominantly commercialized health system into one providing universal coverage. In fact, for inclusion of downtrodden and for all people, the health service must shift towards universal coverage. COVID-19 has meant double jeopardy, a loss of income on the one hand and a steep rise in health insurance premiums on the other. After insurers were asked to provide cover for more conditions, under such circumstances, the cheapest protection against disease and financial loss is prevention now and into the future. As we are witnessing a loss of income and steep rise in health insurance, in this case, the cheapest protection against COVID-19 and financial loss is prevention today and in the future also. The center says it has a communication strategy centered around the theme of safety until March next year. Its efficacy will be tested immediately by the festival season. Efficacy means effectiveness. Effectiveness of communication strategy will be tested immediately as Dasara has begun, and in coming months a lot of festivals like Deepavali, Chhat Puja and other festivals will be there. In this case, prevention is the only solution, and what we have to do now and in the future is to follow basic strategy of wearing mask, maintaining social distance and hand hygiene, that is hand washing. That's all for today. Thanks for listening.